Next in the solution video series is Memex as an industry leader, and how Memex as a company became so successful as a leader in the overall equipment effectiveness industry. The quick background as a company: Memex got started in 1992 developing bubble memory replacement businesses. It did memory upgrades. We live inside the control cabinets of machines, specifically CNC machines. We worked on high-speed loaders. We did a BTR, behind the tape reader. We got involved in DNC software, flexible manufacturing retrofits, and many different companies and directions were merged, and lots of knowledge and domain expertise as a go-to company within the CNCs and inside the control cabinets. As time went on and networking and the internet became so pervasive, the company bridged away from the serial cables that most CNC machines work with to Ethernet to serial conversions, and then it got into the point of monitoring what was happening with the machines. We naturally had to fit, as we understood the inside the control cabinets, all the signals within the machines. We could pull off those signals with our boards, feed them into our software, and track it in the overall equipment and effectiveness. The industry even moved forward and got to the point where the MT connector from AMT and American Manufacturing Technology Association decided to put together a standard for MT, machine tool connector, manufacturing technology connections. And Memex actually was started in this with the OMAC and the Open Modular Architecture Controls Unit in 1998 time frame, where they originally wrote the first set of standards, XML based, in regards to how machines should communicate. This evolved into MT Connect, which is a significant aspect in terms of the force right now in the industry for establishing overall communications. MT Connect actually asked the president and CEO of Memex Automation to co-chair the Legacy Machine Tool Working Group because of our expertise and background in terms of inside controls and older machines. And that has boded very well as we've set up a set of standards that have been produced and written out in terms of connectivity white papers and how that should be put together and done. So great work on the MT Connect Institute to move forward. We understand manufacturing, we understand inside controls, we understand machines, and we understand reducing costs. That you must be effective, and a key performance indicator of that is OEE. If you look at productivity, and an interesting aspect is productivity directly affects profitability. Grant Thornton put together a major point. Manufacturers often lack the metrics required to assess their organization's productivity and fail to make these measures visible even when they're available. That's what we have a solution for. We get those metrics out automatically. We make them visible for the shop floor. If you can measure it, then you can manage it. Classic theory constraints productivity analysis. We can put it together, find that bottleneck, improve that throughput and efficiency, and make your manufacturing more efficient. Interestingly enough, if you look at the technological shift over the decades from batch computing, distributed computing, personal network computing, cooperative computing, and then into the internet, it has evolved now where we're seeing the manufacturing world is being technically connected. And so the connected manufacturing model, to be able to take the information into those machines and into your network and utilize them for efficiency, is all about re-engineering manufacturing, which is anticipated to be of significant effect in 2012 time frame. This is all about connectivity of machines, customers, suppliers, management, shop floor, ultimately the enterprise, providing the appropriate information so that everyone can be more effective in their business.